Today we're talking structural rot. So in older houses like 1860s, 1890s, I heard conflicting reports on its age. So you can see we have some insect damage, some rot, some deterioration here. And this is a main beam of the structure. We also have a little bit of dry rot just happening because of age. But either way, it's going to take some work. Now, rot is insects and things like that will cause rot. We can also have rot from age and moisture and all kinds of other reasons. But lots of times when it comes to insects, they like material that is already softened by age and moisture and other things. So yeah, rot in the wood usually accompanies insects after the fact. But yeah, and up here in Wisconsin, we're not going to have a ton of termites or anything like that. We also have some sketchy column systems. So this one here, so we're starting to rot at the bottom. So structural rot, definitely something to get looked at, something to take care of. This is why you get a home inspection, people. All right, guys, remember the better you take care of your house, the better it's going to take care of you. We'll see you next time.